How to create make.com account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create make.com account. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to visit the official website of make.com. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in make.com. Once you have entered this URL, press the enter button to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Make. Once you reach to this page, here you will need to first click on this understood button at the right button below, and then here you will need to click on this get started free option in this interface. You may also click on this get started free at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on it, now you will be presented with this screen. Here you will need to enter the details in order to register your account. Also, you will get the options to sign up with your Google account, Facebook account, and GitHub account. You can select this option based on your preference, but if you would like to sign up with your email address, then you will need to fill in this form. In the first text box, enter your name, and in the second text box, enter your email address. Once after entering the email address, now create a strong password for your account. If you want to use the password created by Google Password Manager, you can select the option. If not, you can also click on this choose your own option and then enter your password manually. Once after entering the password, you can click on this I button at the right side of it in order to reveal and check. Also make sure your password contains all the required characters presented below. Once after creating a strong password for your account, scroll a bit down and then select your region. After selecting the region, select your country. Once after selecting your country and region, now click on this sign up for free button at the bottom. Once after doing that, now you will need to check your email in order to verify your account. Go ahead and open your email. In the inbox, here look for the message or the email from make.com. Once you open the email, inside it, here you'll be able to see the option verify email. Click on this verify email button and then you will be taken to this page. Here click on this back button right here and then you will be presented with the sign in interface. Here now you will need to use your email address and your password in order to log into your make.com account. Once after entering the password, click on the sign in button right here and then here you will see you have successfully created an account on it. After creating your account, you will need to set up your account. For that, you will need to answer these questions based on your preference. Select the option in every step. Once after completing it, click on this Get Started button right here. You will see you have successfully created an account on make.com. Now you can explore the platform features. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.